Hey y'all, so today you're gonna see. So today we're gonna be doing an experiment. I don't know what it's gonna be called. I'm gonna do like 2 experiments, okay? And I'm gonna catch her arriving like season 1, episode 1. And unfortunately, Giovanna, Luke, and Mary are not. You think it's them, but they're actually not available today. So they're gonna be in season 1, episode 11. Yep, they're gonna be in season 1, episode 11. Yeah, Mary's kind of sick, so I don't know. Come on, hang on. Let me figure out a way to open this gate. Okay, because it's right there. I gotta open. Alright, we gotta open. We gotta wait till she arrives. It might be somebody else dropping her off, or she could be driving. I don't know, but this time I'm gonna be waiting out here because I'm glad that's not raining. It's not, whatever. Sorry. Okay, here we go. Let's go. No, Elsie, what are you doing here? What are you doing here, Elsie? You're not supposed to be here. Elsie, I'm gonna have to let you back inside now. No. Oh, I've got to shut the door. Well, okay. I've got to shut the door. Sorry, guys. Oh my god. Oh my god. What is that? Okay. So that's Elsie. Hey, you gotta cross the street fast. Oh yeah, it's flying away. He's flying away. Hey, yo, get out of here. Get out of here, mosquitoes. What time is it? Gotta wait till she arrives. I don't know. I don't see her yet. Hang on, I literally don't see her that way. It's a gender. The gender is wait. Let me flip the camera for you guys. I literally do not see her yet. I don't know if she drives. If her dad and mom takes her here and drops her off, and I literally don't know what could happen. This is my basketball hoop. A basketball. Oh. Excuse me, guys. So today we're gonna be they have so it's not Giovanna, Luke, and Mary, okay? Mary might be still sick. That means you could be better, but like they're not coming. They have a plan to do, but they will be in season 1, episode 10. Season 1, episode 11. They're gonna be here episode 11, and then we start. Okay, we're gonna do. Okay, this is it, and then we're gonna do season 1, episode 11, and then we will start season 2. Yep. Yeah, we're gonna start season 2 after season 1, episode 11. Literally. Oh, try your best not to get Elsie wet.
Remember, you have to say no to Elsie. She can't jump on Trina.
Okay. Yeah. Well, sorry guys, and it's. Ooh. How am I supposed to get across? It's okay. I'll just, oh yeah, just, oh, you know what? The second stair isn't even better. I'll just go as fast as I can. I'll just go on my tips. Alright, I'm gonna go back to where we were. Do you guys see her yet? Let me know, and I don't literally see a car in the back. I still don't see a car in the back. Whoa, there's literally an airplane. There's an airplane flying. I really hope I don't have to wait any more longer. I literally gotta wait. I gotta wait. I gotta wait. I'm gotta wait. I gotta wait. I gotta wait. I gotta wait. I got the wait. I got the wait. I gotta 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 wait. Whoa. Still isn't here. Still isn't here. Literally no. We're gonna have to go to the end of the driveway to make sure we can see her arrive. And plus, my driveway does not have an outlet. I'm not telling you whatever it is. You've probably seen this before. Look, I looked through the window for season 1, episode 1. Oh my god, boy, she's literally, you guys see the car? 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 Hang on. Hang on. Yeah, we got her, yeah. We got her. We got her here. We got her here. You finally. Okay. Just gotta open the door and.
Hello.
Oh.
How are you?
Okay. Oh no! So I need to. No.
Hello.
Whoa, with the stairs in my life.
No barking. No barking.
I need to get to
Say hi.
yep.
Where are you going?
Yep, alright, so guys, we're gonna put it here. We're gonna
Hi, how are you?
so this guy.
You can show her up. He's already got his chemistry. Should we leave this open?
With the signs. What are the
If you need anything, just text me or call.
Okay.
Yeah. No, I'm gonna show you the water right out there. There's water and seltzer.
yeah?
Water. Did you say hello?
Oh,
Did you say hello?
no, yeah, I did.
You did? Okay. Alright.
Sorry, guys. Gonna look at this.
How about we move these knives, buddy? Want me to move these?
No, we don't need them. Okay,
I'm gonna move them.
sure.
You might be on some YouTube, so tell them no. He posts them. When I'm on them, I can take them down.
All right.
Okay. And like in here, there's seltzers, there's water, cups are there, the back.
He'll show you.
Yeah, he'll show you. All right, thank you very much.
Yeah, of course. Have a good time.
Yeah, thanks.
Yeah.
Okay,
See you guys later.
Hello. Hi.
And there's a cat. She's upstairs.
Okay.
Yeah, but she won't, she's so
She won't,
afraid.
she won't.
We're trying to get them to like each other, but they're not there yet. You're right. So when she's inside, you can just close the screen if she
Okay.
goes out. I just don't want her jumping on that screen.
Okay.
All right, thank you again.
Yeah, of course. See you later.
Bye, son. Okay. So I have 2 of these science kit books. I have this really cool one. It has like 60 science experiments in here. This one has a ton of them. So we're gonna show you this one first. I was thinking if we can do this one. This one looks really cool. Dissolving eggshell. We need an eggshell, and we're gonna need some other stuff. We need some citric acid, and we're gonna need alright, so we're gonna do like 2 experiments. We're gonna do this dissolving eggshell, and we're also gonna be doing this this water and oil one. Cool. Okay. We're gonna go to the It is called. TikTok goes the oil clock. Here we go. So we're gonna start. We're gonna do the dissolving eggshell first, and then we're gonna do this oil clock. We can do the oil clock, and then we can do. Let's make up colors. Glow and the. Well, we can make these really cool stuff. Keychain experiment 7. We should do some of these polymer beads here. So yeah, we'll do one of these. We're gonna do the bright mix of colors for keychain. Oh, this is for experiment 7, so I have to do 6 and 7. Glow and the dark keychain. Yeah, so we're gonna do bright mix of colors, and then we're gonna put them in the keychain for experiment 7. So we're gonna, we're gonna do 3 experiments, but we need 2 experiments to combine them into 1. Alright, should we do this one first? Yeah, this one looks interesting, so gonna need a small piece of eggshell. Let's get some eggshell. I do have eggs, and I gotta make sure, like how many eggs. Oh yeah, but I have one like here. We need to get. Oh yeah, okay. We gotta egg.
We should crack it and then we can.
I don't think it has to be boiled. So what we're gonna do is I'm just gonna like.
Do you need a bowl maybe?
Maybe I'm gonna need a yeah, you know what? We're gonna take out the yolk. Yeah, you know what? We're gonna get a bowl and we're gonna show and we're gonna be recording this. We're gonna like post it like Google or something. Alright, here we go. Are you ready? Here we go. Okay, let's get this yolk out.
Do you need help?
Oh. There we go. We got the yolk out, and then we're gonna get a small piece of eggshell. Oh, that's perfect. A small piece of eggshell. Now has some.
Do you want to put that on a piece of paper towel so it doesn't get on the counter? Here. Do you want to put that on here and then we can use it for the experiment?
Oh, this looks really cool.
Good job.
Right. I'm gonna go wash my hands. I'm gonna go and put the shell. So we're gonna get this eggshell. I'm gonna put this thing. I'm gonna wash this out. And oh, this looks kind of like a cup. Kind of an eggshell cup. And then we just gotta dump in the yolk. We're gonna put that here in the. Okay, we're gonna put the yolk in the. We're gonna get out the yolk. We got the yolk out. We're gonna get the yolk in there. Come on, please get in there. Yeah, look at that. We got the yolk. It kind of a little bit of a smell, but I'm gonna close that up. Now we need it smell out. Now we have to get out the yolk. Oh no, this thing is literally oh no.
There it goes.
There literally melted. There it goes. I'll put the remaining eggshell there. Oh, you gotta crunch it up. Oh, here are the results. Yeah, let's do the sounds. Oh, they're great. Squish it out. Squish it out. Let's put this eggshell away. Put the drain back in a piece. Okay, we're gonna put out this bowl. We have what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put this thing. Now,
Do you want to take the bowl out?
I love it. Oh, literally covered up everything.
Okay. Perfect. There you go.
I'm not gonna use the egg paper towel. I'm just gonna.
Yeah, that's a good idea.
Oh, by the way, if you're listening for this, if you were gonna have a pizza coming in from pizza, but like if you want to have a slicer too, here, look. Bring the door and then listen. And here, this after this fully outside for this door. And then we get it.
Someone you know is at the front door.
That's so cool. So, but it's not going to say somebody knows at the front door. It's not going to say that. She's going to say someone at the front door. That's what
We don't know if it's a person, right?
Yeah. Yeah, but we're going to do, someone's at, so that guy's going to say, so she's going to say someone's at the front door, but like, if like someone being like me or my mom will say somebody that knows is at the front door, that's what she's gonna say. Alright, so now we're gonna look at our other ingredients. Hey, I'm gonna need some citric acid. I'll look for some citric acid. Oh, here's some. Look, this is citric acid. Yep, citric acid. Now what do we need? We're gonna need a test tube and a test tube holder. Oh, where is it? Yeah, this is the side of the test tube. I'm looking. Oh, this one is perfect. Now, where's the other? Where is the holder of it? Oh, well, here we found it. So we got the test tube holder. Now, what does it say? It says to clean a test tube. Add 2 scoops of citric acid and 2 full pipets of water. Stop with the test tube and shake to dissolve the citric acid. And then what do I need to add? So to a clean test tube, I need to add 2 scoops of citric acid into the tube. So I need to put 2 spoonfuls of citric acid into the test tube. Now where's my dandy? Can I use this scoop? Yeah, here's a pipette. And then when you might fill this up with water. Fill this up with water. I mean, fill this up with water. That's perfect water. Now we need 2 spoons of citric acid into the tube. We're gonna need 2 spoons of citric acid, and I need to look for my. Oh,
Here's the water.
Alright, now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna okay, since you got the water, yeah, I'm just gonna put in the citric acid. I need 2 spoons of man, it's not that much. Is that you know what, I'm just gonna put some. That should be
It looks like enough.
yeah, okay, we add enough of citric acid. Now does it say 2 pipets of water? Two pipets.
Oh, perfect.
Yeah, what does it say? Now I need to add in the eggshell.
Oh, do you have to shake the test tube to dissolve the citric acid?
First we need to, first we need to shake it to dissolve the citric acid into the water. So what we're gonna do is, we're gonna, shake it. Okay, yeah, I gotta make you, shake it. Wait, check this out. How do I have a tear on myself? Oh, oh no!
It's okay. You ready?
Oh no! I knew I didn't put a potato. A potato! A No, that was such a bad idea to put a potato, like, you know. A potato! I need to add all that citric acid in again. Alright, first let's do the 2 pipets of water. So let's 1 pipe it. Yeah, that's the name. Okay. I need it. You know what? There's still some citric acid into the tube. Like, I'm not gonna add a lot.
Yeah, probably don't need a lot either.
Oh. Okay, this is literally gonna. If you put citric acid into your eyes, like eye drop, it's technically gonna burn. This is so. Okay, I'm gonna shake this up. A potato! Whoa! A potato! A potato! A potato! A potato! Alright, here we go. I'm gonna jump up and down. I'm gonna shake this. Alright, that's perfect. Now I need to add in the eggshell. Add in the eggshell. Okay, that's a little bit big. Let's see if we can fit it out of the test tube. Oh, there we go. Let's put this thing in. There, now it's inside. Because we got the eggshell inside the test tube. What does it say now? So I have to leave it here to soak for a few minutes. And so we gotta leave it here to soak. And what do you see? What do you see right now from the eggshell? Alright, so what we're gonna do now is we're gonna need, you know what, we're gonna keep this water. So what we're gonna do instead is now we're gonna go to our next experiment. We're gonna leave the egg soaking. Our next experiment is called TikTok goes the oil clock. We're gonna need, so we're gonna need to get some surprising kit. We need a test tube holder, 2 small test tubes. So a test tube holder. Where's our test tube holder? Okay, here's our test tube holder. Test tube connector. Wait, hang on, what? Test tube connector. Hang on. Got 2 small test tubes. 2 small test tubes. Test tubes. Test tubes. Test tube. Test tube. Wait, test tube. You know what? I'm thinking it wants us to use a different type of thing. Yeah. We have our 2 small test tubes. Oh, here's our test tube connector. I get a bill. Oh, I forgot a piece. A piece, and then we're gonna need. Okay. Man, this is kind of hard. All right. Yo, it looks like we're gonna build this thing.
No.
Yeah, that's one leg. We gotta go get the other leg. Isn't it in here? Isn't it in here?
You need help finding it?
Yeah, I'm gonna need some.
Let's see. We found the color we got.
Might be.
Let's see. It's not over
Laying
here.
down.
Is it in this part?
No, that's for making. No, that's
Drawing crystals.
crystals.
Is it in like this part? Maybe under something? That's strange.
We got this yellow weird powder. We gotta
Oh, there it is. Perfect.
sneak it in there. All right, we're gonna have to attach this to the Oh look! What do you think of this test tube? What? Alright, I'm gonna open the bag. We're gonna add 2 of the test tube. Okay, here's our test tube. It's brand new, and we're gonna need the test tube connector. Alright, here's our test tube connector. We're gonna need. Oh, you know what? I think how about if we label these? Cause you know, labeling test tubes is always so important experiment because you know what? You can write number 1 and it's okay. Alright, so we're gonna get pink. So labeling our things is so fun experiment. You need a pen? Let me get Elsie. Hi Elsie. I got a pen. It's a marker and look, it's a pen as well. There you go. So we're gonna. So yeah, we're gonna.
Girl.
We're gonna alright, we're gonna write, okay? I'm gonna why isn't it? And this is actually a pen. The ink is kind of, you know, hard to pull off. I love the pink. Alright, we got our label. So this is number 1. Number 1, and okay, so this one, I use number 1, and we got number, yeah, Elsie needs to be more trained. She's kind of in training, just don't play with your referee.
There she goes.
Yeah, she wants to go outside. Yeah, this is, okay. We labeled our dishes. This is so important. Look. What do you think? Look, show you. See, it says backwards. And okay, okay, 1 and 2. Now what does it say? All right, I'm gonna go on to step 1. Add 2 to 4 drops of coloring and test the tube 1. Alright, coloring agent, we got blue, and I think there's red and something. Yeah, there's red and there's red and there's one more. And then we have this one here to measure. So okay, we're gonna have to use blue, and then this red, I don't know. No, I'm not sure. We're gonna have to use some blue. Right. Oh, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 4. Wait, 4. That one's gonna go down. All right. Wait, hang on. Maybe if I. Whoa! Oh my God! One of the labels came off. No, I looked so hard for that. So. We're good. We just get it on. So we got this. The other label. Okay, we got our dishes labeled. Alright, what does it say now? Add water to test tube 1 when it's almost full. Half full, sorry. Where's the water? Oh, use the water to take on the pipette. Alright, we're gonna add some water to those. We're gonna add test tube 1. Ooh, look how blue the water looks. It's half full. Now we need to shake the test tube. Okay, aren't you coming? Aren't you gonna? Okay.
I'm coming.
Okay.
Do you want me to shake the test tube?
Yeah, you can shake it this time. All you need to do is like go like this. Okay. You gotta dance to the shake. Let's dance to the shake.
Okay, I think it's
Okay,
good.
I think it is done now. Now we have to add more water to it. See, look, step 4 says add more water to test it. We're almost to the top. Whoa, okay, we're good. You need to add water to it. Is almost full, so we gotta add the syringe. I'm gonna add this another 10 milliliters. Cool, okay. Now, shake again. Since we take turns shaking, I'm gonna have to be very careful while I shake this one, because I'm gonna pray. You know what? I gotta squeeze one really tight, because if this one spills, this one will cause an astronomical mess this week. Alright, you know what? What happened?
That wouldn't be good if that one spoke, because it would definitely make like a huge stain on the carpet.
A potato! Wait. Okay, let me screw this tight. Okay. A potato! 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 Hot potato! Alright. Now we're gonna. I'm so glad it's just water. Imagine if it was vinegar. I can't even remember my mouth. Yeah! Okay, we're gonna it's just water. Alright, step number 6 says fill the second test tube with olive oil. We're gonna mix. Alright, here's what we're gonna do. Olive oil is stored in here. Look, we're gonna use olive oil. We're gonna use olive oil instead. So I'm gonna pour you know what, let me get myself another beaker. You know what, we're gonna use another test tube for oil. What do you think of that idea? Well, let me get a funnel, a small funnel. Look, here's our funnel that we use. That's perfect, right?
It's good.
Leave this in here for now. Okay. Now what we're gonna do is, what does it say now? Put the lid back on this one. Use the lid for the oil. Alright. Alright, so we're gonna use a syringe this time. Now we're gonna fill the second. We're gonna fill test tube 2. That's the best idea. Look at that. I have the best idea what to do. So we're gonna pack it to the container. And now what we're gonna do is we're gonna go something like this. Actually, you know what? Let's do okay, we're good. Hey, what we're gonna do is we're gonna put some olive oil here. Okay, that's perfect. That should be good. Alright, so what we're gonna okay, so into this mug. So I put some olive oil into this mug. Ooh. You add oil. It'll be add some more oil in here. Oh my god, that smells so strong. Yeah, that's stronger here. Second one goes in with oil. All the way to the top. Alright, there we go. We got the west out. Syringe rest. Alright. Now what we're gonna do now it says screw the test tube connector onto test tube 2. Now we're just sit. Close both. Okay, so here's what I'm talking about. When I take the lid off of this. Now this is test tube 1. It's just water. We're gonna put this. And now I put both test tubes into a large bucket or our bathtub filled with water. I'm gonna go get myself a bathtub. I mean, we're not going to the bathtub. What should we use instead? Like a bucket?
Do you want to use like a bowl? Would a bowl work? Or like a pot, maybe?
Well, they said bucket, so that means a pot is like a bucket. Yeah, we'll use a bucket.
Yeah. We'll just like that, and then you can get water.
This one looks perfect. Right. We're gonna use, this is a really big bucket, and I think our viewers want to see this. So what we're gonna do is, well,
You're gonna fill it with water?
no, we're not gonna fill it with water. What we're gonna do, it says, man, this is a lot of room. Now it says, you put both tests of this to a large. Oh, so you put your thumb still, then you have to quickly
Filled with water.
and we quickly have to. Oh yeah, that's right, filled with water. I'm gonna get some water from the sink. So what we're gonna do, guys, watch this. What we're gonna do is you're gonna go like this with your bucket, and then you're gonna, woo! So the bowl won't work. I'm gonna leave this here for like a minute or two. I'm gonna leave it like that, and then I'm gonna see how it goes. So I'm gonna go like this. Now I'm gonna, ooh, that's pretty soft. Oh! Whoa! Whoa! Really? Whoa, check this out, guys. Let's point it out you. Whoa! But it's actually going into the bucket. Whoa! Into the bucket. Okay. Okay, I think there should be plenty. This is so heavy. Okay. Now it says we're gonna, okay, I got this. Now we're gonna, whew. Oh my god. Now we got this. Whew, I quickly scored both of them on. Clean the oil clock turning over your test tubes every few seconds, guys. Look, we made this oil clock. Ooh, we made an oil clock. Ooh, whoa, this looks perfect. Hang on. Let me unscoop these. Now we're just gonna empty a little bit out. The oil out a little bit. Okay. That should be plenty. Just quick. Both test tubes on. Oh my god, this is literally filled up with water and oil. Oh, look at this! Look at this. Check this out, we made an oil clock. What do you think? What do you think of this oil clock?
Looks super cool.
Whoa!
It looks so cool.
Maybe if we wash this off. Okay, now I'm gonna quickly. Okay, how come I can't turn this? Let's go. This thing is literally filled with oil, and it's blue. Hang on. Oh, since my hands are wet, I'm gonna use the wet hands. Put it over here. I'm gonna literally fill this up with some clean water, and then Oh! Put out all the water into the way. Oh. That's literally gonna stay there for a while. Now I need to wash off my hands with real water. Oh. Yes, we unscrewed it. Now check this out. Put some. Oh! Whoa! Let's see. We got the. I'll put these. Whoa! A big water volcano! Oh, they got her. They got cute kids leg. Alright, we're gonna move on to our last experiment. Ooh, dry off the hand. Let's go. Alright, so we're gonna be doing our very, very last experiment. Can you guess what it is?
Is it the keychain one?
Yes! It's the keychain. We're gonna make a keychain. If you want, you can take it, and if you mix it on mix. Alright, we're gonna do bright comes and glow in the dark keychain. So the experience farmer kit, large test tube. So we need
OC. No, girl.
Hang on, we're gonna need some polymer beads. Hang on, let's see if packet 14. Packet 14. Packet 6.
What you got?
What's in packet 14? These are Petri dishes. 2 of them. Hang on, I need to look for glowing crystal. What packet is this? Packet 6. Colored sand. Energy beads. Oh, these are for UV rays. What is in this bag? Magma gel mix. No, not pH indicator. Nothing. Now I need to find the large test stoves. Okay, wait, where is its test tube? The large test tube. It's like shaped in like a. Oh, here's the large test tubes. I found the large test tubes.
Sit. Elsie.
It says P-E-5. Hey, look. Oh, God, look, check this out. I literally used this before. I've done an experiment with a different babysitter in 2 years. Look, PVA glue. So this is pineapple alcohol. P for poly, V for vinyl, and A for alcohol. So I need to look for those polymer beads. I'm not sure if we have. I mean, we do have polymer beads. They're from the kit.
Do you need help finding them?
I need to look for the no.
No.
I found energy beads, but I need the polymer beads. Where are the polymer beads at? So this is for magnesium, UV rays, pH indicator, magma gel mix, baking soda. Where are those polymer beads at? More magma gel mix. Now where in the world? Glowing crystals on packet 14. Water absorbing polymer wait, I think we could do this is packet. This is water absorbing polymer crystals. Packet 14. You know what? I don't think I have any more polymer beads, so we can't do polymer beads. Let's do.
Let's see.
I don't have any borax. Follow the. Or how about if we do a Wow, I've done this one before. The Kingdom of the Crystal Bridge.
Do you want to do that one?
No, I already did it, but it was in a different book. It was in Demo Lab. We did the Kingdom of the Crystal Bridge. It was really cool. It was 3 of the pre dishes and the water sugar. We should do the.
Whatever you want to do. Sounds.
Ooh, what's the volcano one?
You want to do a volcano one?
Yeah. Should we
Let's do it.
do? Let's do.
Let me know what you need and I can.
What about if we do? Which one looks good?
This one looks fun.
Alright, so we're gonna need. So there's a plastic
Vinegar in a baking pan.
vinegar and baking pan. And we're gonna and there's a plastic kit says volcano water mini container. What small? Okay, so we have. This is the large test stove.
Here's the vinegar.
Okay. Okay, we have a small. Is there 2 test tubes? Okay, we just need 1. So we just need the label of 1 here. Wait. We don't need 2 because you know labeling the test tubes is always so important in an experiment.
Very true. Oh,
Okay, I'm gonna put one in the middle. Side. Okay.
and a baking pan. So these are the
But
two
it's
things.
5 milliliters. So we're gonna need the put them into the beaker and then wait till it says 5 milliliters. 5 milliliters.
Let me pick this up.
We're gonna need baking soda. Wait, I see the baking soda. I saw it. Where is the baking soda? Baking soda. Packet 5.
Ready?
Oh, here it is. I found the baking soda. Oh wait, and it was the volcano base. That's what we need.
Volcano base.
We need it. And then we're gonna need a mini container.
One that has a measuring smaller. Okay, use the pipette for this to get 5
Here was the
milliliters.
mini container. I think this is it.
Ready? Here.
Yep, this is the mini container. Here's our mini container. It fits easily. What color sand do you want to use? We have so much color sand. We have yellow, we have green, we have, what other colors of it do we have? We have yellow, green, we have green, we have green, some sort of blue, we have, I don't know, I don't think that's it. Yep, those are the. And wait, do we need the magma gel mix? Nope. Okay, that's all we need. Alright, we should start. Should we use? We're gonna use yellow and we're gonna use a little bit of green. So here we go. Okay. Put the mini container. Okay, so alright, we're gonna start off with step 1. We don't need this.
Wait, this is 5 milliliters
5 milliliters.
of water in the pipette.
You were supposed to put it in the beaker. You were supposed to put it in the test tube.
Oh, should I just put it in now?
Yeah, put it in the test tube. Okay, while you do that, I'm gonna put the mini container, look, this is the mini container, into the volcano model. So this is use our volcano model. Whoa, this is so cool. Then you got a baking tray. And you know what, let's go check out our egg thing. This egg. Oh, what do you see so far?
Looks like it's getting like dissolving.
Oh, look, do you guys see those foam bubbles at the top? What do you guys think? I'm gonna put that there, leave it till
There's 5 milliliters of water in the beaker.
5 milliliters of, you mean vinegar?
Oh, was I supposed to put vinegar or water?
Vinegar.
Vinegar? Okay, here, wait, I'll dump this out.
Okay, so now I just did that. 1 scoop of baking soda into the mini container. Where's the baking soda? We need our yellow measuring spoon. Maybe in here? Yellow measuring spoon. Where's our yellow measuring spoon at? Wait, whoa. Where is our... I'm not sure if we have one.
Alright, 5 milliliters of vinegar.
Okay, well, I need to look for the yellow measuring spoon.
Which kit is it from?
It's from this kit. Why are you looking there? I know I have a yellow measuring spoon. I'll let you know.
Oh wait, found it. Is it this one?
Yep, that is the yellow measuring spoon. And now we're gonna, okay. 1 scoop of, okay, we just need 1 scoop, that's it. Ugh. Let me get some scissors. I have some scissors here. Let me cut this off. Okay, we got some. Okay, oh, whoa. Okay, well, we just need 1 scoop. That's too much. Let's add a scoop. Let's add 1 little small scoop, another scoop. Alright. Can you tell me whatever's the next step?
What is the next step? So we have the vinegar. Do you add a scoop of color sand to the mini container?
Alright, we're gonna add some yellow and some green. So what we're gonna do is, oh wait, I need a yellow measuring spoon. Okay, we're also gonna use some scissors for that as well. Yep, okay, here we go. You ready? I'm gonna put some here. We're gonna add some green, we're gonna add a little bit of yellow. Perfect. Alright, now we need to add some yellow. Okay. It's just sand, we don't have to worry about it.
No, you're good. Do we need the water absorbing polymer crystals or no?
No.
No. Yep.
Alright, here we go. We attached both. Wait. Now we need to add some yellow.
Cool.
Add some yellow. What do you think of if we add some yellow? Will it react cooler? Okay, it's yellow on a yellow spoon. Alright, let's see how good this is. Yeah, this is hard to see. Alright, there we go. We add the yellow sand. Let's join the clip. Join the clip. Add them all. We add it all. And now, ooh, you ready for the fun part? Slowly pour in the 5 milliliters of vinegar. You ready? You ready? Here we go. And then we have to try with a different color sand. Wait, hey, what the hurry? Whoa! What did you think of that?
That's cool.
You know what? How about if we add some I have some other liquid. How about we try with some? Let's try with lemon juice. I know it looks like lemon juice. This is also acidic. See?
Oh my goodness.
And now what we're gonna do? What smells like lemon? We're gonna add some let's add some blue. The blue, we could use it in the food coloring. Let's see how this goes. Oh, whoa, okay. Go ahead and add the lemon juice. Let's see how good this is now. Go ahead. No, wait. Oh! Oh!
Holy moly, look at that.
It's like a blue volcano.
It really is.
That looks so cool. No, it's good. We'll just keep it blue. That is so cool.
That is really cool.
Now I want to dump this out. Ooh. Now we need to just pop out the mini container. Oh, you popped it out. You popped this out. Woo. So the mini container didn't work. All right, we're gonna put the sink here. So that was the mini container. What do you think?
Looks really cool.
We don't throw this away. Let's put it out here. Now we're gonna put this. And we'll put this. We put this yellow measuring spoon. I think my mom that told me. Put it here. The dishwasher. Okay. Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna take this to the sink. And we're gonna go ahead and just dump it out. Alright. So what do you guys think of this video? We recorded this for almost an hour. What do you guys think? Thank you so much for watching. So let me know in the comments down below. What was your favorite experiment? Plus, what do you think of this? Alright, so we will see you guys next time. Bye.
Bye.
Alright, we'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.